Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Bearly, that's me. So glad you can join me today. If you would please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment below with video ideas or tips on anything that I can do to help me be better for you. And that would be a great help for me. Thank you so much. And let's get started with today's video. I am going to be Snow White for Halloween this year, and so this is my tutorial on some Snow White makeup. As always, I like to start by washing my hands and applying a moisturizer. That is the best that I have found for my skin type. Next, I will be applying the foundation, and I've got several to choose from over here. I think I'm gonna go first with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I'm gonna use this one because it is, I believe, the lightest color that I have. And of course, for Snow White, we want to have the lightest complexion possible. And I'm just applying that to the sponge here. I do think I am going to go back with one of my matte foundations. This one, I don't even know if they make it anymore, is the Rimmel Stay Matte Fair Ivory. It just gives a more complete coverage, since, you know, from my memory, Snow White was pretty much flawless. I want as much coverage as possible. Okay, I think that is thoroughly blended. Just to double check, I'm gonna put my glasses on to see. Not too bad, not too bad. So next I'm gonna go ahead and work on my eyebrows. And to do that, I think I'm gonna use a very dark, maybe even black eyeliner. Her eyebrow seems to be very pronounced. But to start out with, I'm gonna mark it with this silver waterproof eyeliner by Profusion. And then I'll go back with my e.l.f. Black No Budge Retractable Liner. I would like to stop right here to simply note that this is for costume makeup. Probably, most definitely would not go this dark on a normal makeup day. Okay, I think I'll leave it at that. Next is the eyeshadow. I'll be using the Ulta eyeshadow brush, Ulta Beauty, and from the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions, I'm going to start out with this light color. Next, I will go in with this IBY Fire and Ice. I have slightly hooded eyes, so I'm actually going to be applying this with my eyes open. I'm going to try to be as straight looking into the mirror as possible. I'm going to raise my eyebrows slightly so I can actually get it into where I need it to be. Almost doing a straight line from where my hood begins here, and working straight towards the tip of my eyebrow that I have going over here. Specifically because I have small eyelid space to work with, especially since that hood comes down. Alright, then I'm going to go with this shade right here. It's not what it's exactly meant for, but this is what I'm using it for. Just blending this eyeshadow together. Got a little bit of fallout down here. If you have some tips to prevent fallout or how you clean up fallout, let me know in the comments below. Especially having slightly downturned eyes, I have this always drags down right here, almost no matter what I do. So if you have a tip for that, please let me know. And so next, we are going to work on the color of my cheeks. So I think I'm going to be using this. It is Cheekers Blush from CoverGirl. And I just want small rosy apples. So I am going to use a Lexi 1010 small contour brush. I'm also excited to soon show you my costume and how I plan on doing my hair. Perhaps that will be a video to come in the near future. Hopefully I'll be able to get that out to you before Halloween. So if you'd like to copy my idea, you're more than welcome to. And I am going to go in with a highlighter. This is the Ulta Beauty Just Face It. Okay, this is the e.l.f. contour brush, angled contour brush. And I'm using this very, very light highlighter. This is just going to help have that beautiful radiance that all those Disney characters seem to have, you know? I will blend out the highlighter into the blush. I think that's pretty good. Next we are going to do the lips. And for that, I will be starting out with this MAC Studio Lip Liner. So I will be going in with this e.l.f. color, and I will be doing the Red Hot Reds, and I'm going in with the Daytime color. So I'm just going in there and getting it on the brush, and then I will literally paint my lips with it. Couple of things I forgot, and I will go back and do. That is my eyeliner, my mascara, and my powder. I'm actually going to go in with the same e.l.f. pencil that I did my eyebrows with. I am going to be using Bobbi Brown mascara in Black Smoky Eye Mascara. Now, another thing that I got from Ipsy, if you watch my other videos, you know which bag this came in. I think it was my Ipsy Plus bag. It is Extraordinary Translucent Powder by Kiat London. Isn't that so cute? And it says translucent, but as you can see, it is white. And since Snow White is what I'm going for, I'm going to be brushing this onto my face. And I just have this tapered face brush, LR30. And I am putting a lot on there because I want to be as Snow Whitey as I can be. And of course, most of it isn't going to stay on my face and stay white, but I mean, you can tell it's going to have a very light shade. Now I am going to go back in, since it is powder, my blush is powder that I'm using, I can go back over my setting powder with it. If you have some type of matte product that you're using, you wouldn't want to go back over it after your setting powder. It would just thicken things up, like you putting a paste on your face. Alright. And I believe that that completes my Snow White 2020 look for my makeup. And later I will have another video up to show you how I do my makeup. And either on that video or another one, I will show you my costume and the whole look together. So stay tuned and subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when my next video comes up. Thank you so much. Please leave a comment if you like this. Let me know if you have any other ideas of what you might think will work, because we still have a little bit of time before Halloween. So BR Lee, that's me, and I'll BRB on my next video. Have a great day.